Welcome to LT48, a Dream Beyond Review Show, Part 1, and hosted by Nate Jack and our Paulo and Isikino, the rated G, RC, the birthday guy, Edge, na nag-birthday
Happy
nung,
birthday to you!
na nag-birthday
Birthday ng Kods.
your birthday ulit. And thank you para sa thank you sa sa konting
Pa-wings.
if you know. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa pa-wings, Kuya Ed. Ayan, syempre. Oo, courtesy of not mentioning brands here unless we are sponsored. Yan na yun. So, nakita nyo naman na sa ating preview, nakikita nyo naman sa ating page na ang mga Yo! Hoy! I'm not. Wait a minute. What? I'm on mute?
Hindi, nag-enable lang yung ko, yung Bluetooth ko, kaya pala hindi ko narinig, sorry.
Yan. Okay. Ay, ganyan Kuya Ed Ito akin. Ayan.
Okay.
Ay, sorry. Saglit lang. Hindi ko siya na Let me flip the camera.
Teka.
Ayan.
Actually, ito
Isa pa.
Ito to. Ito, bago ko mag-OOTD ng content. Hindi pa naman ito 'yon. Habang nag-i-stream din tayo ng
Oy!
ng Raw from Perth. Live from Perth. For now, pag-usapan muna natin yung
MNL.
Yung ML48, especially yung Dream Beyond. But before we get to that, medyo doon tayo sa mas recent, yung mga nangyari ngayong araw. Kasi, napansin nyo, total naman nandito tayo sa TikTok. Yung mga live streams, they've been setups on nabanggit ko nga sa GC, Fatal 4-Way. Fatal 4-Way.
Ano siya? Yung online tapos wait lang. Konti na lang segment na ng unfriended yun, wag naman sana. Okay. Hindi, elimination chamber. Parang elimination chamber na setup. Ganun siya.
Medyo ganon.
Hello. Uy, Alteo. Hello. Long time. Where have you been? Bems? Ayan, may ML Labs tayo pupunta dito. Ayan. Say his name and he appears. I believe. I believe in Joe Hendry.
Hindi. Maring yun. Pero pag episode ko, ang theme song Adrenaline in the sound.
Something cold.
Get them off their feet. Crowds here, about to blow. Wait for me to stop the show. Home.
Whoa!
Hence the post. Hence my post in front of the Dream Beyond
Dream Beyond Tarpaulin. Ayan. So, ano nga ba ang mga magiging overview ng pag-uusapan natin, mga kuya? At ang nabalitaan kong episode natin ay 2 parts ang ating kaganapan dahil sa dami ng mga pangyayari sa MNL48.
Jump-packed. Very jump-packed.
Jump-packed. Feeling ko, hindi tayo kasing tatag ni Caroline mag-live ulit ng 3 oras. Hindi na namin kaya yon. Oo. Kaya po namin yun dati, ewan na ngayon. I mean, we're willing if we're going to incorporate certain parts, pero hindi namin alam kung kakayanin pa namin. Ayan. So for tonight, I think, ano ba ang napag-usapan mga kuya? Yan.
Ito. sa tingin ko, ang magiging flow natin is part 1, yung mga kaganapan before yung concert proper, all the way hanggang doon sa handshake event. From
Okay.
from the opening to the checky hanggang sa handshake event. Sa tingin ko, hindi natin ma-cover yung ganap ng mga taga-SVIP dahil I reckon wala sa atin ng SVIP. Maliban siguro kung meron
Kuya, SVIP ka, di ba? O VIP?
no.
O yun!
VIP lang.
Oh, hello Andre. Mga STEM G. Hello Gail. Ayan, yung isa sa mga nakasama natin sa ano bang tawag dito? Sa concert, syempre. Okay.
Yun.
So, unang-una, anong oras po? Sinong nauna sa atin?
Uy, may
ako
estudyante
yata
ka
yun.
daw, Sir Nate.
Alam ko. Hello, Andre. Yeah. Alam ko, daming mga nagpapakita dito. So, maraming salamat po sa mga pupunta. Ayan, Gail. So, Gail, dapat umakyat ka. Ayan. Please invite yourself in. Dahil nakasama ka namin sa isang episode na to. At alam ko, mas maaga ka kaysa sa amin. Hello, Shine. Mas maaga ka kaysa sa amin, Gail. So, yun, Naz. Naz Reed. So, yun.
Okay, sa mga
I think-
nakasama natin dito nung Sabado, if you know someone na nakasama natin last Saturday, kindly share this live para mapag-usapan natin yung mga naging kaganapan dito.
Oh, yun.
Mga kaganapan
Pag-uusapan
nung,
natin yan isa-isa.
Nung trivia last Saturday. Specifically,
Oo.
yung mula opening hanggang doon sa handshake event dahil yun ang magiging sakop ng episode natin tonight. Part 1. Kung baka
Oo.
part 1 tayo tonight. Yung part 2 sa Wednesday alas 10 din ng gabi.
Oh, magugulat kayo kung ano ba yung mga malalaman nyo about me, kung ano ba talagang I wonder what's going on. Okay, una-una, the first episode that we talked, the first part was, syempre may mga mas maaga talaga kaysa sa akin. So, technically, as of that moment, naghihintayan pa lang sila doon. I arrived there by 10. Yeah, mga 10 na. Nilakad ko na lang yun from the MRT. I arrived there from 10 a.m. between 10-11. So talagang, ano bang tawag dito? Marami-raming, konti pa lang yung tao nung time na yon. And hindi pa nag-aayos fully ang mga staff. And who did I saw there?
Mga
Moko
kumbaga,
Geki. Mga media.
Kumbaga, ingress mode pa lang nung naabutan mo, parang gano'n.
Literal na ingress mode pa lang talaga. And of course, Pops G. Okay, sa mga Papa G, the OG Emerald 48. Talagang mas matagal pa kaysa sa atin, I guess. Yeah.
Alright.
Uy, si Elijah Yari Santos. Anyways, I will acknowledge them, all of them later. So, nung nag-i-ingress pa lang, syempre, totally wala talaga akong kinakausap pa. Until I got to talk to Moko Gekisha. Ayan.
Andito ang mga estudyante mo.
FPU. Oo nga eh. Pumunta ba kayo sa P-Pop Campus Tour? Pumunta ba kayo ng P-Pop Campus Tour ng Asterisk? Dapat lang. Nakikita nyo, mga kakilala ko yung mga nandun. Pumunta ba kayong P-Pop Campus Tour? May mga kakilala ako doon. Nako, kung andun lang ako, papakilala ko kayo eh. Ayun, so I'd like to add further. Wala pa naman masyadong ganap doon. It's literally just us waiting sa tapat ng teatrino. Actually, naligaw pa nga ako nun eh. Naligaw pa ako nun kasi nakita ko yung naalala kong route, Music Museum. Na turns out may kasabay na show dun sa Music Museum, which was yung kay Frenchie D at kay Alex Calleja. Now, syempre, Emerald 48 tayo. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin. Ingress, totally walay-walay pang ganap, and it's nothing much. Pati merch, inaayos pa as of the moment. And then, let's say may konting business, let's just say, let me put it to Christian Cage's quotes. Currently, shut up while I'm conducting business with Moko Gekisha. Konting ganun lang. And I would say, ang dami ko nakuha ang insights. Turns out, will not spill anything instead. Yes. Kasi sayang. will get that opportunity for, work stuff. Ngayon, nung dumating na sina Kuya Joe, ano yung mga dinala natin? Ayun yung tanong, ano yung mga dinala natin, ha? What did we bring? Ako dinala ko, sarili ko lang. Tapos naka-referee ako nun. Anyway, hello again, Teo.
Eto.
Okay, Kuya Joe, Kuya Edge, go.
Okay. Before we get to that, i-acknowledge muna natin ito si Daniel Aquino. Hi ML48, balik MLOs na ako dahil sa Fifth Genoshi. Yes,
Oh my God.
yes, welcome back. Welcome back sa nagbabalik loob ng mga MLOs sa mga Fifth Genoshi. Na starting Saturday, kinikilala natin and eventually kikilalanin pa natin as we lead towards the two-part 5th gen scouting report, which is just right around the corner. Basta update namin kayo kung kailan namin siya gagawin just to give our insights about the 5th gen.
Gusto nyo, send nyo to sa kanila. Go lang, isend nyo to sa kanila. Pwede naman. Hindi, mag-overview
May mga
tayo.
ilan naka-live ngayon.
Pau!
May mga ilan naka-live ngayon na
Good
15.
choice!
Kasabay
Good choice! Hindi, magigets nyo kung bakit siya sa, hey, Pau, good choice. Miyakay Nelly is very good choice. Recommended. Okay.
Yes.
Anyways.
Approved.
Approved by the wise man. Your wise man approves. Okay. Kaya Joe, tuloy ang kwento?
Ayun, tuloy tayo. Ngayon, total na nandito tayo sa peg ng teacher and students na nasa chat section. Sabihin natin, ako ay isang not so proud student na hindi nagtapos ng project, tinatapos lang doon to the point na isa lang naipasa ko.
Hoy! Mukhang
my
may papalitan na ako na.
Kuya, nag-cram ka. Cramming
Nag-cram
yan.
ako, exactly.
Nag-cram.
Oo.
Wow. Nag-cram ha? Nag-cram kayo dyan.
Kumbaga, I was rushing to finish a project that I should have started weeks ago. Doon pa lang. Doon pa lang ang ending. Ang naging gift ko is para lamang sa ating GM. The goat.
The greatest of all time!
The greatest of all time. The GM, the greatest of all time. Kasi yun. Kasi naisip ko yung ganun kasi I would like to reintroduce that project, which is intended to the alumni of ML48. Siyempre, nabigyan na si Andy. Although si Andy, siyempre, nakabalik na. Ang sumunod yan was Colleen. Tapos yung ibang mga alumni from last year, late September, if you recall that, yung sa may QC, kung saan naibitan yung ibang mga former members during that time. At nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon i-aware them. Ngayon, yun sana yung project na gusto kong ituloy, but I'll get to that later on. Doon naman tayo sa part na nandun na kami, Chempong nag-i-start na yung Checky sessions. Parang yung fourth gen na yung nandun eh. Hindi ba Edge? Edge, I would like to share this floor with you, if you may.
I think parang dumating tayo doon, maybe, if I'm not mistaken, it's not yet check-in time but more of yung merch time. Yung pagbebenta ng merch.
Ay, oo.
Oo, may pila pa no, pila yon. Pila yon for the merch and ano ba tawag? Pila for the merch tsaka sa claiming of tickets.
Tickets.
Parang pagpapano na. Oo.
Light sticks.
Oh.
However, just some feedback. Unfortunately, there were only 2 lines. Pero kasi the confusing part was that hindi mo alam kung saan ka. May merch line pero meron ding ticket line. What's confusing is that hindi mo siya ma-pinpoint for the parang initially medyo magulo siya. If you are if especially if kakarating mo lang. Luckily there we have the luckily we have someone like Mokikication tumutulong talaga para mag-update kung ano yung mga nangyayari. We'd also like to add, okay, may claiming of tickets wherein yung mga wristbands, isa yan. Medyo may yung pila doon, so mabilis ko na ko. Ang sabi, kaya naging mahaba yung pila, it's because, ang sinasabi, claiming lang daw for SVIP and VIP. Ngayon, turns out, pwede pala sa gold. Okay, so I got my own spot, then pumila na lang ulit ako. Now, nakita nyo naman na mga kaibigan ang mga naging presyuhan doon. Nagkaroon siya ng inflation, syempre. There is like 10%. There was a little bit of how do I say it? Inflation sa price, lalo na sa Checky, sa photo cards talaga ang laki. If you compared to last year from 400 naging 600, tama ba ako? Yeah. So of course that wasn't one of my priorities what I had in mind. So bumili ako ng Checky. And luckily, salamat Maya Credit. Salamat. Para mangyayari nun, okay. Happy now, worry later. No, whenever you have the chance, please spend it to your Oshis. Pag may ganap ang MNL. Madalang magkaganap ang MNL. Nagiging meticulous na din sila pagdating sa mga ganap na gusto nilang puntahan. Now, I would vouch for that kasi yun yung nalalaman ko. Okay. Now, with that being said, I got 4 Checkies. Actually, I got 4 Checky tickets. I got 4 Cole, Dana, CJ, and Rihanna. Now, ano naman ang binili ninyo, Kuya Joe and Kuya Edge?
Edge, you go ahead first.
All right. Actually, before this event came into fruition, or more like once na na-release na yung prices nung mga merch, talagang nag-calculate talaga ako ng mga expenses ko. And hindi ko na sasabihin yung price because lantad na sa page ng ML48 yung mga presyuhan. But what I bought was actually 3 sets of photo cards, dalawang Checky, and dalawang pins. Of course, dun sa mga photo cards na yon, some of them would be actually hindi yun giveaway, more like parang nagpabili lang yung mga yung mga iba natin mga NF tropas eh. Kaya Neo, you'll definitely receive it. Yung mga photo cards na yun, you'll definitely love it. And then as well as si Sir Rob din.
Oo, yun nga.
Well, ang masasabi ko dyan ay
Parang ano yan. Yung ganyan peg. Parang actually, that's actually reserved for part 2. But yeah.
Reserve mo yan,
Appreciate
Neo.
the gesture. Appreciate the gesture, Neo.
And yeah, yun nga. The reason why I bought 2 pins is because yung isang pin, it has Jamie's face on it, and the other one is has Cole's face on it. And
magtatampo na, ako nagtampo na ka pala sa akin.
oy, wag kang mag-oshihen ha, Neo.
Bay.
Wag kang mag-oshihen. Pero ayan,
Huwag ka
as far as-
mag-share sa pip dyan natin. Joke lang.
Okay.
Sorry,
Yeah.
lapit na. Hindi, joke lang.
Yeah, but as far as check is concerned, I think alam niyo naman yung nakapost doon sa page ng NFT48. So, dalawa yon. That being Dana and Jamie na i-reserve na lang namin yan sa next episode kung ano yung nangyari kay Dana.
Pero sana all reserve.
Reserve natin yan sa second part. Alright. Yeah, as I continue, ang ending nung merch hall, yeah. Masasabi kong merch hall 'yun eh. Ang ending, nakakuha ko lang 12 handshake tickets. 12.
Las 12. Di joke lang.
Ayun.
Sakto.
Alas,
Ay, di, sakto. 12. 12
Oo,
beat
12
gen.
nga. Ayun.
12 beat gen.
12. Sakto.
Pero kanino ko siya na i-spend yung mga handshake tickets na yon? Siguro i-reserve natin ulit 'yan sa part 2. If we can.
Yeah, part 2. Part 2 talaga, my friends. Watch out. Okay. Now, ano pa bang i-add ko? Ay! Sa Checky Time. Checky Time. Okay. Yung kwento ko pala kay Neo. Neo, where have you been last Saturday? Anong pinuntahan mo? Pumunta ka ba sa Tier 1?
I wish I would have to, but sa panaginip ko na lang nangyari yung nandun ako sa sa MNL kung sana. Kasi I will imagine kung nasa MNL ako, I will do this.
Stop the live. Whoa.
Of course, dahil nanood ako ng Crown Jewel. Yun lang ang ginawa ko, seriously.
But sadly, he didn't survive the tsunami.
Oo. I didn't. Oo.
Tsunami!
Yun naman ginawa ko eh. Watching
boy.
Crown Jewel, something's gonna smell with the bloodline, the original bloodline of Jey Uso and Romanes after Jey Uso just accidentally yeeting himself.
Spears
to Roman.
correct!
Why did you do that to your
Okay.
cousin? I love you!
Well,
Your
well,
cousin.
Okay,
Sino ang
speaking of
ginawa?
wrestling, eto yung nakakainggit actually. Speaking of wrestling, did you know sa Tier 1 Entertainment, MWU was there? And,
Wala yung referee niyo.
yan doon yung referee. Grabe naman doon naman si Sir Ed.
Pero yung
Doon naman
isa
si Sir
na
Ed
sa-
mismo. Checky Stories. Checky Stories. Yan, Checky Stories.
Checky
Yan ang
Stories.
next natin.
Actually, as we were discussing the Checky stories, may napansin lang ako doon sa pinost na na Facebook page. Yung isa lang yun nandun, the other one wasn't there yet.
Which
Wait,
one?
is this an album or
Si Rodman, si John Paulo, alam ko nandun lang naman kayo
Yeah. Actually, sa dalawang member ako nagpa-checky. One is with Andy, which is a stint that I owe her because of what happened to dun sa estadio.
First of all, you need a lot of money. Totoo naman.
Here comes naman.
Totoo naman, mahal.
Here
Yeah.
comes
Para mag-idea kayo, mahal-mahalin ng MNL 48 period. Ganun pa
Yeah.
sila kamahal-mahalin.
Shay
to the
McMahon's
point.
theme song. Here comes the money. Here comes the
Yeah.
money.
To the
Okay,
point
yeah.
na you really have to set aside every single day nang sa ganun magkaroon ka ng opportunity, magkaroon ng budget for such events.
Seriously.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's once in a blue moon na magaganap MNL, so it's really, you cannot determine easily. You cannot find out right away. Okay. So, Checky Stories. I think, una muna natin si John Paulo. Any Checky Stories you would like to share? Since si Clary lang ata naka-checky mo. Any stories about that, John Paulo? Anong nangyari?
Nangyari kasi yung time na yon, kararating ko lang namin ng 3 naka-car kami. And then, bigo ako abutin si CJ na traffic pa kami sa show. Doon sa may harap ng tapat ng Mega Mall. Tapat ng Mega Mall yung EDSA show, na-stuck kami sa traffic. Pero during that time, inantay ko that time habang play ako music, then inantay ko si Claril for the checky. Tapos nakuha ko yung ticket ng after ko makuha yung ticket. Paano ko mapakita yung picture yung...
May picture sa Facebook page. Don't worry.
Yun, okay na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Na-post na yan, na-post na
Hello,
yan.
Lay!
Okay
Hi,
yan.
Lay!
Si Claril lang ang naabutan ko, pero kay CJ nabigo ako. Sad life.
Lay pa sa
pero
kay Zayn.
pero nakakuha ko na pero nakakuha ko na isa. Kaysa sa wala.
Pero sa handshake, bumawi ka naman.
Oo.
Bawing-bawi.
Syempre hindi. Number 1 Oxy ko yan eh. Hindi ko tanggihan.
Yeah, non-negotiable.
Absolutely. So, yun. So, again, hi, Lay. Ay, ano ba yan? Nag-off cam naman si Neo. Papasend ko sana kay Zayn eh. Ano ba yan? Okay, hello po. Ayun.
Oh, Mr. Kish, shoutout sa mga ML Loves na
Ayan, meron tayong
Napapataan
people
dito
na
sa
bisita
stream
ngayon.
natin.
So, hello po.
May sinasabi ka kay Nate? May narinig ako?
Andyan si Lay. Ano ba? Sabi ko, andyan
kada?
si Lay. Sisend ko
Kada.
sa... Sabi ko, Lay, pasend kay Zayn. Ganun.
Ganyan
Ayun.
tayo, Eminem. Tapos-
So, I would like... Oy, masaya maging multi-stand dito. First of all,
ganito.
Stan Kada, by the way, sa mga visitors natin na nandito, Stan Kada, by the way. If you have seen some of their content, I would say they have the potential to grow anywhere they wanted to. Okay! I think tapos na yung story ni Kuya Pao. Next! Si Kuya Joe muna. Checky stories.
well, actually, yung time ng Checky, yung una nun si Andy. And the reason why I chose Andy is because bilang pambawi ko for buying a ticket not from her, despite the fact na next pick namin nung geek pa from last year.
I'm so sorry,
Ayan.
Andy, alright?
So parang ano na yun, parang it's like parang ano na yun, doon nabanggit natin si Seth. Parang ano na yun, it's like I owe her that favor. Parang I parang inisilet ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako mawali dito sa Dream Beyond. Dahil tampo eh. Ayan. But wait, di ba ang part 1 hanggang
Tampo na din si Andy sa akin. Yun yun.
yun nga
Yes.
mismo din kung bakit.
Gusto mo yung hanggang concert na natin eh.
No. The
Gusto mo
concert,
yung hanggang concert na natin.
the concert is on part 2. Pero yung
Concert and 5th gen. Yeah.
Nung turn ng Checky, doon ko na sinuot itong Howry. O nga pala, shout nga pala doon sa Gamergate, doon sa friend ko from around this area na yung design nito is yung pinagbasehan. And if you would notice, I wore this. Then, tapos yung sa likod niya, parang ano siya, parang naging conversation
Oo.
starter siya nung syempre kay Andy, yun yung napansin ni Andy, even si Cole napansin niya din kasi kasabay niya nandun din si Cole dun sa vicinity eh. So ayun, nakakatuwa. Basta yun, nakakatuwa na 5 poses. I was quite surprised. Pero I think parang may story ba yun? Bakit naging 5 poses yung...
Actually, yes. Yes, there was a story on that. Di ba, supposed to be 10 nagpapapila na for the merch. Yes, but unfortunately, yung 10 a.m. na yon nag-aayos pa sila. So, nagkaroon ng delay. Supposed to be, ang intention talaga nila for the Checky is the Polaroid. Unfortunately, ginawa nilang 5 shots for that. For 899 pesos. Kasi nga na-delay. And you know who made the message? our very own HR, Yana. And Abby, of course. And GM Abby. Halatang halata na sanay sa pagiging HR si Yana. So, ayan. Yun po yung naging kwento talaga kung bakit naging 5 shots ang ating, ano ba tawag dito? Ang ating Checky. Now, what about you, Kuya Edge?
Well, habang the dressing nasa dressing room ang ating Kuya Joe, sige, kukwento ko na yung akin. So, yeah, as I said, dalawang members yung naka-checkian ko, that being Dana and Jamie. But actually, mas nauna akong pa-checkie with Jamie and teka, ano nga ba yung mga shots ko nga doon? Pero basically, yun dun sa page natin, ang naisip kong post doon was actually a recreation of the alma mater post that we did, that the two of us did rather, nung yung graduation gradcon ni Ruth, tsaka yung sumunod na handshake event on the same day doon sa Novotel. At that time kasi nakamaskara ako so I was like, nako po, ba't ko hindi tinanggal yung itong maskara na ito? So I definitely need to make some amends to that one, and yun lo and behold, yan yung naging concept ng aking 2 shots. So aside from that one, of course, you got the pumpkin post, you got the shock post. Actually, parang itong shock post na to, parang nandun din siya sa Oh My Pumpkin, di ba? Yung sa may bandang dunong part na ng chorus, yung ganon. And then of course the heart one, pero ito yung shocking, and there's a reason kung bakit hindi ko ito pinabisize, or more like hindi ko ito pinapost sa page, kasi I know that this would gonna make some eyebrows raise, kasi pero ito, paglilinaw lang, fan service lamang po ito. And si Jamie po ang nag-isip po nito. Kasi
Okay,
akmang
nag-explain.
Ano po ba yun? The parent of the student po ba? The parent of the valedictorian? Gano'n po ba yung yung posing?
Nuggets ko, nakita ko yun.
actually, ang tawag dito, contact code sorry ako kay tita, yung mother ni Jamie. But again, si Jamie po ang nag-isip nung ng holding hands. Oh, hindi
So, alam niyo
holding
na-
hands, more like
I
di pala
mean,
holding hands. I mean, yung parang
Alam niyo na-
parang nasa
Sige,
entourage
sige.
ng kasal.
Principal
Ayun,
sponsors.
parang ganun.
Principal sponsors. Ninong
Parang
at
nasa entourage
Ninang
ng
po.
kasal. Ayun.
Hoy! Wait lang! Wink! Hello, Wink? Wait a
Wait,
minute!
what?
Wait a minute! Hi, Wink!
Wink talaga?
seriously?
For real.
Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Kanina.
Totoo
No
talaga
way.
to.
Ay, ano?
You gotta be
There's
kidding me.
no way! Teka lang.
Ay,
Hello po.
Feeling.
Magandang gabi,
Sorry,
welcome
sorry
po.
na hindi po kami nakapunta sa sa MB launch ninyo ng 3 hiling kasi po MN Labs po kami nung time na yun. Ayun lamang po.
I mean, we have our priorities po, so we hope for your consideration.
Sino nag-share nito sa Wink? Ako nagsasabi sa inyo.
Sino nga ba? Pero,
Nako.
Pasabi na lang hi kay Ayaka. Uy!
Mahal kay Mariel kaya ka dito ko lang.
Lagot. We owe them a favor na. Lagot na.
May utang pa.
Nako,
Sige, tuloy ko yan. Sorry. Tuloy.
may utang na tayo sa wing. Pero, ayun, just like what I said a while ago, ayun, akmang principal sponsors po yung naging post po namin ni Jamie. And, ayun, it's only for my eyes only. So, actually, for
For the NF Tropas
for the
eyes only.
eyes,
Alam ko
oh,
yan,
yeah.
alam ko yan.
And also for the eyes of myself and Jamie na din. So, i-share ko din sa kanya yun para
Oo.
makita din.
By the way,
And then,
I did check the Wink
mapunta-
account. Totoo, Wink nga talaga yun.
so confirm nga talaga na
Wait a minute! Wait a minute!
Totoo, Wink.
Verified.
Wink account.
legit
Alam ko.
verified. Wow.
Pinalo ko yun.
So,
Sinong
maraming
admin yan?
salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo po sa aming
Momenting live. Kahit po ML48 pinag-uusapan namin, wag po kayo mag-alala. Napag-usapan po namin kayo ng fantasy draft. Ayun lamang po.
Yes. Yeah. And since nabanggit naman yung yung fantasy draft, nandun na sa aming social media page yung mga draft results. So ayun, you can check that one out. Okay, next one is Dana. Well, of course, there's the usual pumpkin pose, the heart pose, and of course, syempre yung heart pose in connection din yan sa kanyang home network na GMA. Kasi since kapuso tayo, we gotta get the heart. And then,
Oy, kapamilya tayo ah.
yeah, I know,
Hindi,
right?
dapat wala ng
No.
channel, dapat wala ng channel.
The network wars are over, sabi nga daw. But ayun, ano pa ba yung mga ko? Pumpkin pose, heart pose, the shock pose, and ano pa ba yung mga ibang pose na ano. Teka, asan na ba yung page natin? Nawala. But anyway, ang pinaka-notable na pose na nagawa ko with Dana is actually yung saksi pose. Talagang ni-rehearse ko talaga yan. Or hindi naman more like ni-rehearse, but more like parang nagkaroon ako ng parang scouting report since as we all know, Saksi is already 30 years old. Time flew so fast, no? I mean, but my goodness, no? And knowing the fact that Dana is part of GMA News, and syempre, I mean, we definitely need to do the Saksi pose. So, and you know what, ito, backstory din, dun sa, nung ginawa ko yung Saksi pose, alam nyo ba yung staff, talagang parang, natuwa sila dun sa, dun sa ginawa kong Saksi pose and parang, meron atang isang staff na nagsabi, aba, alam na alam ah. Tapos yung parang cameraman, yung nagsabi nun parang, hindi, yung cameraman rather, nagsabi, parang ako ata tinatarget itong mga to. Or, I cannot exactly remember that. But, ayun, actually, Dana reposted that Saksi Checky. And ang sabi niya dito, teka, ko yung camera.
Lesson ko yata sa yung picture ng Dana sa
Yeah. Ang sabi niya dito, sabi niya dito, natuwa talaga ako dito. Ha ha ha. Sabay pa alam ko na rin ang gagawin nung sinabi mo na sama-sama tayo maging saksi. Ang cute. Thank you po sa pagpila. So, on that note, Dana, if ever she's watching this, thank you din. Thank you din for
Send you to.
and also din for Jamie din. Thank you
Mamahalin
din.
ka namin si Dana ng 24 oras.
Oo, na ang balita raw I got the scoop from her mother, syempre si Tita
Apo.
Lynn.
Yes.
Na ang sabi daw talagang literal na 24 oras nga talaga si Dana, like hindi pa talaga natutulog.
Actually, katawagan ko nga si Tita Lynn. Actually, update event yesterday. Sanabi nga din sa akin na hindi nga siya natulog ng 24 oras.
Like
Insane.
Totoo yun.
Insane.
like hindi. I-reserve ko na lang din yun sa sa part 2 kasi
Same.
it has something to do with that. Kaya
Relevant.
yun nga, she was well awake for 24 hours. Sabihin
Talagang
natin, hindi
hindi
naman straight, but
natutulog
more
ang
like parang
balita.
less
Parang
na matulog ni
kaga-
Dana.
Parang kagaya,
24 oras.
parang kagaya siya nung isang dumalo dun sa kabilang ganap, which is yung Black Cloud. Dumating ng 4 a.m., umuwi ng 4 a.m. How's that?
Grabe yung na yun, ha? Grabe yung endurance nun,
Huwag
ha?
niyo ako
Ano to?
huwag niyo
Parang,
ako tanong, baka sabihin na sa blackout ako, wala din ako dun.
ano to? 24 hours of Daytona.
Ay,
We now believe you.
Anyway, ayun.
yun yung literal na 24 hours. Man.
Literal na 24 hours, yeah. Alright,
So
let's
ako
move
naman,
on.
I think ako naman. So I got 4 checkies. Of course, I started it with Rihanna. Na, alam mo sa totoo lang, wala talaga akong maisip But what I like about it is, siya mismo yung nag-iisip ng checky poses for me. It's very generic. Yeah, it's very generic. But I really don't know what to incorporate. Naka-referee pa ako. Actually, yung nasa isip ko lang nung dahil naka-referee ako, parang, here is your winner! Ganon.
Nakataas.
Parang ganon.
Kahit
Hindi,
ko hawakan.
minus na ganon. Minus na hawak ng braso. Yun.
Oo,
Kasi
kaya
alam ko
nga.
bawal. Minus na so nakaganon na lang. Alam mo yung yung mga heels na Here is your winner, Rihanna! Okay. yun lang. Yun yung una. Very generic lang yung mga poses namin dun. There's the oh my pumpkin, there's the peace sign, there's the, of course, the winning sign, the peace, of course, and doon. Next is alam nyo, nagko-contemplate ako kung sinong pipiliin ko, si CJ ba o si Jamie. Nahirapan ako eh. Pero parang I had this obligation kasi na may utang ako. Ba't ako bumili kasi ng punta pa ako sa event na yun para bumili ng matcha balls. Yan to, nagkautang ako.
Exactly. I know that feeling.
Bumili ba ako ng matcha balls? Bumili ako ng matcha ball.
Oh boy.
Then, nung kasi yun, pumunta ako sa
You just get the
matcha
best of
event.
us.
Tapos nandun si CJ.
Na-video mo yun.
Oo.
Na-video mo yun.
Na-video ko yun na siya yung barista.
Nagumagawa
Siya yung barista at that time.
Oo.
Yeah, which is, by the way, I would really recommend that. So, congratulations. Now, I would say,
Shout out to Matcha Villa. Highly recommended.
Matcha Villa is really, really good, by the way.
Not sponsored, pero
And dahil doon,
but technically, they had sponsored yung mga nakipag-handshake kasi nagpag-giveaway sila ng mga matcha nung drink
Nice
yan.
marketing daw. Nice marketing.
oo. So yun, kasi yun, project kasi yun ng mga classmates niya, ng grupo niya. I think it's a course. It's in a course. So, ayun, dahil doon, parang I don't know, indirectly naman niya sinabi, oy, may utang ka sa akin na checky, ganyan. Or more like, basta sa akin ka pipila for the handshake or the checky, parang ganon. So, what I did was actually, sa checky lang ako bumawi. So, that was my first. Pasensya na, Jaime, si Kapitana. Actually, yun talaga nasa isip ko noon, either Jamie or or CJ. Actually, Rhea sana. Pero yun, I settled with CJ. Now, the next person is dalawang magkasunod kasi yun, by the way, para lang aware kayo. CJ and Rihanna were in the same batch. Next is si Cole. Yeah. Emerald 48 Cole, baby. Ayan.
Ikaw nag-isip yun for sure.
Emerald 48 Cole, baby. Ayan.
Akala ko gracias.
So for some context, iba yun.
Oh,
Ano siya? Adam Cole.
Adam Cole, baby. For
Yun.
sure ko
Yung sakto, baby tanga.
Hence the pun.
Sakto.
Cole doing the Adam Cole pose.
Cole doing the Adam Cole. Emerald 48 Cole, baby.
Cole doing the Adam Cole. Nice.
Oo.
That was
So
so
yun,
beautiful, actually.
That was one. The other one is, ito pa! Ako, actually, for those who don't know, mayayain talaga ako. Knowing the no-touch rule, hindi ako lumalapit sa picture. Mayayain ako.
social
But then
distancing.
there's Cole na, social distancing talaga as in, but then there's Cole, lapit ka sa akin! Come closer! Siya talaga nag-ano nun! Hoy, natatagalan na ako, kinakabahan, no? Kinakabahan yung isa dyan. Sa kaya sa yun, walang halong eme yun. Sa talagang, ano ba? Come closer! Sinasabi niya, come closer!
Neo
Ay,
take
wala
mental
naman.
notes.
Neo, take notes! Take notes! Ayan.
Sabi ni
Siya na
Teacher
mismo
Pauline,
nag-
Kumusta daw,
Ay,
sir?
ramdam ko pag nakita ako.
Uy, classmate ka ng college yan. Hello, Pauline. Kamusta? Okay naman kami dito. Buhay pa naman. Ayan, classmate ka ng college. Okay.
Pag nakita ko ni Cole, tatampo yun. Alam ko na yung ano sa akin eh.
Sasabihin sa inyo yan, come closer for the checky. Yun talaga. Yun yung
yung mata ko, yung mata niya sa akin.
Yan yung pinaka natatandaan ko talaga, as in. And last one, syempre naghintay muna ako ng very very light for Dana. So, I think ito lang yung natatandaan nyo.
Tapos,
Dana Evans out of the playing court.
ML 48 ding na technical foul. Ejected from the game.
That has been ejected! Okay.
You're out of here.
Wow,
Damn.
na-eject. Ano ginawa? Chum.
Okay, di pa rin nakakatuwa ka pa din. Mukha lang ako nakakatuwa. Ewan ko yung iba natutuwa talaga dito. Dana Evans out of the playing court. Ganun yung unang posing. And then, I think the other, di ka pa rin talaga alam ko, ito pa rin ako, wala talagang pinagkaiba. Lumala lang ngayon. Lumala, ganon. Ayan, so, that was for Dana, it was this, puro basketball related poses nga eh, kasi sakto naka-referee ako, pang WWE nga lang. Of course, here's your winner. Ayan. And then, yung heart pose. Actually, hesitant akong ilapit, pero ginanong ko na. But okay, I have no problem with that. After all, it's Dana. So, I felt like it's comfortable. So, may ganun talaga. Ganun na lang talaga. Doon sa iba, wala ako nakuha sa 4th gen. Kung may pera lang ako, bakit ikaw kunin yung 4th gen pa eh?
Ako din, same. Dapat sila hindi
Okay.
kasi lang.
My friends, speaking of 4th gen, that's for Wednesday. Yun lang. That's for Wednesday na. So I think yun lang naman yung ilan sa... Uy! Sena 29HH. Oh, we got here a peep. We got here persons over here. Okay.
Teka, pero bago
Evan
tayo
Labs.
pero bago nating shoutout din kay Rodman na nakipag din. Check
Oo.
out
Dana
kay
din.
Oo.
Dana.
Yung
Si MB,
Ano yung
si ano,
post
si
niya?
Si Master Chef.
Si Master Chef
Chef.
Rodman rather. Anong post nga niya ulit?
Yung
Si
nag-basketball
Dana
pose.
yung nasa offense, tapos si Rodman yung nasa defense.
Defense!
Nagwardya ng bola eh.
Sige, sa Dana Bilex, sige, agawin mo ako. Captain na ako
Uy, may mga P-pop stands pala dito. Hello. So we got here P-pop stands then visiting our streams. Hello po. Ano po tayo ngayon? Focus po for Emerald 48 kahit po multi-stand ako. Because it's okay, fine. I'm a multi-stand by chance and choice. So,
Okay na. Okay.
so,
I may.
go kuya.
May I? Kasi nandito yung yung sa Checky. This is with Andy.
Okay.
Then also did the heart. Then CM Punk. Yeah. I call this a CM Punk.
Kasi Pop Kids.
Yeah. I call it the CM Punk. Ito naman kay Dana. Heart.
Pwede kayo magdala ng championship belt sa MNL Fitted. Tapos yun ang magiging post ko.
Pwede naman siguro, I think.
Tapos
I
kami
think-
pa ng champions.
Well, actually, before we get to that, we might care to ask if kung pwede props or something.
Good
Wala lang.
friends. Oh, actually, that's an interesting question. We would love to have that. Pero I think based on experience, parang alam ko may mga gumagawa niya. Pero mostly kasi sa MNL, wala pa naman ako nakikitang gumagawa ng with props. Yeah,
Except
wala
yung
pa akong...
picture yata yung akin nung last anniversary event eh.
I think kung cosplayer. Oo. Kasi photo booth 'yun. Pero kasi ang photo booth kasi 'yun, unfortunately sa Teatrino, knowing how small the place is, actually sobrang liit ng lugar. Pero that's not something for criticism, but that is something that's a good start. Yeah, that's actually a really good start for a group na we thought faded into irrelevance kasi sa sobrang tagal na walang ganap. They're
From
testing
the
the
ashes.
water. They're actually testing the water as of the moment para din malaman nila kung may mga pupunta ba. With which turns out meron. Ang daming, let's say may mga MLMs na talagang pumunta sa who came out of their chamber, if you know what I mean, if you know what I'm talking about.
Isolation
Uh,
chamber. Elimination chamber. Dito
Isolation chamber. So yun. Into their isolation chamber kasi walang ganap ang MNL. So parang mga naka-hibernate na fans nandun they're back. I guess. Yeah, they're back. Kasi balik ng MNL. Ayun yung pinaka na ano talaga. And I would say a lot of them came. And I think ML48 also mentioned a lot of OG fans came back. But as you may have seen, may mga bagong fans din na nagsipuntahan.
Nakakatuwa.
Nakakatuwa
Hindi
lang.
Hindi ako, pero...
May nakatabi akong first time.
Oh,
Hindi namin hindi kami masyadong nakapag-develop ng rapport because we were enjoying the concert. Nakafocus kami sa concert. Nakafocus tayo sa concert. But the rest of it will be discussed on Wednesday.
Oo. Actually, sa totoo lang, marami-rami pa yun to be quite honest Pero sa totoo lang, if you wanted an overview, sobrang tagal din. Wait lang. Okay, we cannot talk about the SVIP kasi may vlog daw. May vlog daw na nangyari doon.
Vlog excuse.
And yung exclusive vlog. Wala kami no. Wala kami pambiling SVIP. Yun lang.
Yeah.
Kung meron man, sana nag-upgrade na lang ako, no? Pwede lang talaga mag-upgrade. But,
Dito siya napunta.
it's...
Actually, dito siya napunta.
It is way, way too late. Ayan, unfortunately. Now, I think, parang yun lang naman din talaga yung nangyari. Parang before the concert itself. We caught up with some fans, I guess. And we got to know new fans.
New faces, new names. Actually, may mga new names ako napapansin sa Twitter na nakaka-interact namin. Hindi namin alam not until we check on Twitter or X na sila pala yun. Yung, 'di ba? Parang yung you're developing this rapport face to face, not knowing na yung na kumbaga hindi mo napagdikit yung hindi mo na connect yung Twitter identity, yung online identity sa face-to-face identity, parang gano'n. Sabi ni Unopi, na-spoil ako ng TikTok.
Napapanood mo.
Kasi nga nasa Perth sila. Nasa Perth sila. Paano maano?
Hindi lang
Oo. Monday night to. Literal, this is Monday night. Monday night yun.
Monday night talaga.
Ayos magkapit-bahay lang naman Australia tsaka Pinas kaso London under sila Mas nauna lang sila
Ito, parang na, are we almost done? Are we done na ba with part 1?
Actually, yun na yun Yun na yun Kung gusto niyo mag-overview.
Actually,
Actually,
meron pa tayong isa pang nakalimutan na dito sa part 1.
Yes, kuya.
And you know what it is?
What is?
The light stick.
Yeah.
Ay!
The light
Yun
stick.
pa! Yun yung naging isa pang Okay, alam niyo ba? Yun yung isa pang naging cause of delay. Dahil sa light sticks na yun na kinuha sa Reboot and Rise. Kasi hindi alam kung saan i-claim, kung dun ba sa first line or dun sa second line, kung sa merch bar or sa whatsoever. Actually, ang gulo. Yun yung nag-cause talaga ng confusion. Oo. Merong mga pumunta for the may mga ML Labs na dumaan for the claiming of the light sticks, but that's basically it. So, may mana ko ba ng light stick sa inyo?
Got one.
Oh, wow.
Noise.
Yan. San Paulo din. Meron din.
Actually, may mga nababasa ko online. Meron daw official moniker. Meron daw unofficial moniker. This is what they call the MN lamp.
MN Wand.
Lemon lamp. As in lampara.
Asing MN lamp. Asing asahul.
Lamp,
Ano
as in
yung-
lampara. Parang ganun.
Yeah. Ay, by the way pala, before we go to other stuff, nagpunta ako sa live ni na Rachel at nilang kanina. I questioned them if they received the letters. And guess what? Wala silang natanggap.
Seriously?
Wala silang
Nasa
natanggap.
staff. Nasa staff, baka nasa staff pa.
Baka nga lang. Kung merong proper, kung nakanay sa gift book, kung baka na yun, nasiksik. Dahil baka na sobrang lang. Kasi din
Okay.
To answer your question, ayun, to answer your question, Neo, pagdating doon sa gifts, well, actually, nakakombine na yun sa isang paper bag. Yung mga letters mo, yung gift ko kay Jamie, and yung gift ko sa mga members. Now, ang point of view ko na lang dyan is, it's up to the staff na lang.
Oo, at yun nga yung
iabot na
inaano
lang
ko.
nila.
Baka sa staff lang yun baka sa staff lang ang medyo
And we can only just hope na maabot nila yun
Makarating.
sometime, makarating sa mga
Ito pa.
dapat makarating.
Maybe ang masasabi ko dyan for now, I think we might need to temper our expectations with regards of turnaround time.
Yeah.
Uh,
I know ano siya, iba siya sa this is way different from your typical P-pop group na nagbibigay in terms of gifts, 'di ba? Kasi napapansin ninyo, some of them you can give gifts directly to the idol.
Oo,
Unfortunately, that does not work for MNL48.
oo.
At that time kasi sobrang alam niyo naman ano bang tawag dito, may problem pa sa management tong time na yon, so we're not really sure if may nakuhang gift or what, kung nakakarating or what. Pero ngayon kasi, napansin nyo, di ba, ang konti ng staff? Kasama na si Coach Jackie doon, for those who don't know. Kasama na si Coach Jackie doon. Wala, and then the rest are staff. I'm not even sure if full-time staff ba sila ng GM Abby or staff ng Atlas. But knowing there's Atlas Productions. May mga staff sila.
Oo.
Pero kasi maliit ang Atlas. Yeah, it's a small I would say it's a small company kasi with a small office. Kasi nakita ko na yung office nakapasok na ako mismo sa loob Maliit talaga. Ayun.
Hindi may background. Yan. Atlas din nakalagay sa likod. I think
Atlas
sila-
Media. Maliit talaga as in. So, ayan. Ball direct. Yeah. Unfortunately, ganun po sa 48G. So, for those na galing sa P-pop, na gustong mag-stand sa MNL48, we have to face these types of rules. Medyo mahirap siyang anuhin. Like I said, magastos pong mahalin ng MNL48. Kaya nga po kaya nga, magastos po talaga. Oo. Parang ano siya pero ang ano nga lang dyan, syempre, yung mga ganap kasi, hindi siya ganoon ka-frequent nung time na yon. While we're hoping for more ganaps, we're hoping for that, let's wait and see. Only GM Abby will be the ones to decide. Or more like, the girls will also, I don't know kung ganun din ba yung nangyayari, the girls should have a say kung tuwing kailan sila magkakaroon ng ganap so that they can focus more on training. Lalo na't may 5th gen na. And with 5th gen,
at may mga syempre may dahilan bakit ganito ang nararamdaman natin. Ang details na yan i-share natin sa susunod na episode.
Wednesday.
And who's having grabe. Basta
Okay, medyo na-overwhelm lang ako kaya nag-concern lang ako.
yeah.
same.
And, well,
Sa
what
akin,
Nick
basta
felt-
talaga, amen.
ganito. What Nick felt just now, yun din na feel ni Edge nung gabing yun. Details will follow on Wednesday night. Wednesday, 10 p.m. Nate Jack here on TikTok.
Yeah. Okay. And with that, ayun na po, tapos na yung live natin. Ayan, our live is official. Sa mga nakakabit na battery, I recommend tanggalin muna para hindi masira. Those rules, yeah, we would typically say that. And you know what?
Already did.
Since na-spoil na tayo sa nangyari sa Monday Night Raw, I'm gonna watch it. And
Yeah.
with that
Well,
being said, good night.
Sorry for spoiling, but yeah. Before we say good night, let me just give our thank yous to the following top viewers: Uno P, JPQ, Daniel Aquino, Bemems, Neo Furoshi, Gail. Uy, duman para si Gail. Hi Gail, nice meeting you.
Andiyan pa rin si Gail. Uy, si Fayette na pala to eh.
Edward, yours truly, our love, Carlos Bear, And yeah,
Muslim.
if you'd allow me to wrap this baby up, on behalf of NFT40 and the rest of us, on behalf of Sir Rob, Ed, Nick, and yours truly, and the rest of us, this is Joe saying good night. Thank you for watching, and see you on Wednesday for part
And
2.
don't forget, see you for part 2. Don't forget to follow our social media accounts. It's NFT48. Sa aming FB page is NFT Space XLV3II. We also have our Instagram. It's NFT XLV3II official. Of course, you also have our TikTok NFT48.official.
And also
Yes.
follow.
Don't
and
forget.
And also follow my
Follow.
my NFT account, Nax May ganon. Joe.NFT48
Nox.
official.
Nax talagang piyon ng official, parang MNO.
Charot.
MNL.
Yeah.
May graduation po ba dyan? Uy, wag naman sana.
Uy,
Hoy,
wag.
hoy, hoy. Wag naman.
Please, di ko pa sila nakikita. Mariosep kayo, 2 taon na ako dito. Buti nga.
But
Bumami ulit sila.
anyway,
Also,
ayan.
Maghanap ka na kasi ng
also
work,
don't
Neo.
forget,
Also don't forget.
don't forget also.
See you on Manila na lang, guys. Oh, did I spoil it? Did I spoil it?
Ano yun?
Pupuntang Maynila.
I plan it to move in Manila before the end of the year. Probably.
Yay!
Yay!
Yes, makakasama na.
Kaso-
Makakasama na. Makakasama na.
We don't know what will be the salary grade.
Okay,
Don't expect that.
Ardolph, okay. Actually, I have an answer as to why Nanay Gio was not there, but I'd rather not talk about it. That's too internal. Period. Alam mo, magigets siya kung bakit. That's too internal.
Internal reasons.
The answer is, I just have one answer. No, we haven't seen Nanay Gio. Yun lang. With that being said, don't forget as well to Standify. Okay, there's an explanation why I was that emotional on that show. Bakit ako naging ganun ka-emotional?
But ganun ka
Pero ayokong makita yung sarili ko na ba't ako naging ganun ka-emotional talaga. I will explain kasi last year, hindi siya tumulo. Pero ito, yung this year, tumulo talaga. And hikbi, as in nakaganon lang ako. And take note, sino bang katabi ko nun? Si Aspire Ira. Yeah. So,
basta,
ayun.
on Wednesday.
I would like to address that. Don't forget to Standify. Their Facebook page is Defy PH. DE_FY space PH. Meron din silang Instagram. It's all of their social media from Instagram and TikTok. It's Defy_official. And then they also have their YouTube channel, which is Defy Official. DE_FY space official. And, ay nako, please watch out for upcoming content. Sa mga nandito, please Standify as well. You'll get why.
Yes,
Please watch out for upcoming content or kung ano man yon. Wala po kaming ganap ngayon as of this moment, or at least walang naka-line up for us. And as well as for MNL48, please follow as well MNL48 sa Facebook nila. Of course, MNL48 official at Instagram. Ang YouTube kaya maibabalik. Hopefully, GM Abby, you can find a way. It's MNL48 as well.
Yes.
TikTok, MNL48 official. Please find a way para bumalik yung YouTube ninyo.
Yes,
Kasi I'm sure ganun din yung gagawin ninyo once you post the spoiler for the... Once you post yung mga pinakita ninyo sa concert for the 5th generation, sa concert na yun. And that is all for now. With that being said...
Okay, yes.
See you
That being said, see you on Wednesday for part 2.
See you too. Goodbye!
Goodbye and good
So,
night.
for part 2 of this
Goodbye to you!
Beyond review.
Bang!
Okay.
Yeah.
See you on Wednesday for part 2.
Concert review
Part
and
two.
5th gen review. That's all.
5th gen review. And,
Good night, everyone.
And like we say, FT40, honoring those who were by supporting those who are. Good night, everyone.
こんばんは。じゃあ、おたね。
またね